Green day on Monday for GSS Infotech Limited, updated on April 11, 2022. The GSS Infotech Limited stock price gained 0.27% on the last trading day, Monday, 11th of April 2022, rising from a superscript 1131.80 to a superscript 1132.15, and has now gained 8 days in a row. It is not often that stocks manage to gain so many days in a row, and falls for a day or two should be expected. During the day the stock fluctuated 4.45% from a day low at a superscript 1128.20 to a day high of a superscript 1133.90. The price has risen in 9 of the last 10 days and is up by 21.74% over the past 2 weeks. Volume has increased on the last day along with the price, which is a positive technical sign, and, in total, 7,000 more shares were traded than the day before. In total, 58,000 shares were bought and sold for approximately a superscript 17.69 million. Given the current short-term trend, the stock is expected to fall -10.13% during the next 3 months and, with a 90% probability, hold a price between a superscript 177.15 and a superscript 1118.76 at the end of this 3-month period. Do note that if the stock price manages to stay at current levels or higher, our prediction target will start to change positively over the next few days as the conditions for the current predictions will be broken. Signals forecast mostly positive signals in the chart today. The GSS Infotech Limited stock holds buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, giving a positive forecast for the stock. Also, there is a general buy signal from the relation between the two signals where the short-term average is above the long-term average. On corrections down, there will be some support from the lines at a superscript 1126.18 and a superscript 1107.64. A breakdown below any of these levels will issue sell signals. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Monday, February 28, 2022, and so far it has risen 42.40%. Further rises indicated until a new top pivot has been found. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. Volume is rising along with the price. This is considered to be a good technical signal. Support, risk stop loss on the downside. The stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at a superscript 1122.10 and a superscript 1117.75. There is natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, since if this is broken, the stock then may fall to the next support level. In this case, GSS Infotech Limited finds support just below today's level at a superscript 1122.10. If this is broken, then the next support from accumulated volume will be at a superscript 1117.75 and a superscript 1112.15. This stock may move much during the day. Volatility, and with a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is considered to be high risk. During the last day, the stock moved a superscript 15.70 between high and low, or 4.45%. For the last week, the stock has had a daily average volatility of 4.44%. The GSS Infotech Limited stock is overbought on RSI 14 and lies in the upper part of the trend. Normally this may pose a good selling opportunity for the short-term trader, but some stocks may go long and hard while being overbought. Regardless, the high RSI together with the trend position increases the risk in higher daily movements. Volatility should be expected. A correction down in the nearby future seems very likely, and it is of great importance that the stock manages to break the trend before that occurs. Since the GSS Infotech Limited has been rising for 8 days in a row, the risk over the next couple of days has increased. We don't expect a major reaction as the stock is in very good shape technically, and therefore hold a positive evaluation despite the very short-term risk. Our recommended stop loss, a superscript 1127.74, -3.34%. This stock has high daily movements and this gives high risk. The RSI 14 is 83 and this increases the risk substantially. There is a buy signal from a pivot bottom found 28 days ago. Is GSS Infotech Limited stock a buy? Several short-term signals are positive. Despite the stock being in a falling trend, we conclude that the current level may hold a buying opportunity as there is a fair chance for stock to perform well in the short term. Current score, 3.084. Predicted opening price for GSS Infotech Limited of Tuesday, April 12, 2022. The predicted opening price is based on yesterday's movements between high, low, and the closing price. Fair opening price April 12, 2022. A superscript 1131.42.